some tissue, man. Thank you. Well, why don't you send him a Facebook message? It's a good idea. What should I say though?
Oh.
Just tell him how much you miss him. Okay. Dear Anthony, comma, I miss you. I really, really miss you. You're fast. I know, right? What else? I can't think of anything else. Just tell him how much you miss him. I already did that. Tell him again. All right. I really, really, comma, miss you. What else? Man, I'm tired of you asking me what else. You need some inspiration. What was that for, man? I was trying to give you some inspiration, man.